Hello,
Hello,
Philip.
hello.
Hello, Philip.
This is me, Philip. My second name is Philip Arush.
Hello, Philip. How are you today?
Good.
Very good. So for today, we are going to ask Philip from Bisaya or Cebuano into English. Are you ready, Philip?
Yes.
Okay. Let's have question number 1. Asa ka mo adto?
Where are you going?
Alright. Check. Next. Unsay mong ngalan?
What's your name?
Correct. Pila imong edad?
How old are you?
Good job. Gusto ka mukaon?
You wanna eat?
Correct.
Wow.
Next. Kabalo ka mo basa?
Aha.
You know how to read?
Correct. Next. Unsay ngalan sa imong papa?
What's your dad's name?
Alright. Stop. Gusto ka maligo?
You wanna take a bath?
Nice. How about gusto ka magdula?
You want to play?
How about unsay oras?
What's the time?